Shwmae, Mr Lloyd Henry Rhi, yr athro bwyd yn Ysgol Gyfun Gwyr. Hoffwn siarad â chi heddiw amdano'r cwrs Lefel 3 Gwyddor Bwyd am Maith ni'n cynnig yn Ysgol Gyfun Gwyr ar gyfer y chweched. Hello, I'm Mr Lloyd Henry. I'm the food teacher here at Ysgol Gyfun Gwyr, and I'd like to talk to you about the Level 3 Food Science Nutrition course we offer as a course in our sixth form. Fel chi'n gallu gweld ar y sleid yma, mae dealltwriaeth o wyddoniaeth o bwyd a maith yn berthnasol i llawer o ddiwydiannau ar ôl eu swyddi. Mae llawer o gyfleoedd cyflogaeth yn y maes gwyddor bwyd a maith ar gael I ddysgwyr sydd wedi astudio gwyddor bwyd a maith. So an understanding of food science nutrition is relevant to many industries and job roles. Many employment opportunities within the field of food science nutrition are available to learners who have studied food science. So sut mae'r cwrs yn gweithio? Mae un uned yn cael ei cwblhau yn blwyddyn 12, a wedyn mae 3 uned, ble mae uned 2, mae rhaid pawb I wneud a wedyn dewis o uned 3 neu uned 4 yn blwyddyn 13. So how does the course work? Unit 1 is completed in year 12, and then in year 13, unit 2 is compulsory to all learners, and then there is a choice of unit 3 or unit 4 as a final assessment. Mae'r cwrs yn cael ei graddio o ragoriaeth seren, ragoriaeth, teilyngdod neu llwyddiant. A dyma fel chi'n gallu gweld ar y sgrin sut maen nhw'n cyfathrebu I safon uwch cyfatebol a wedyn pwyntiau uwcos. So how is the course graded? You can either have a distinction star, distinction, merit or a pass. As you can see on the screen is the A-level equivalent and the UCAS points for that mark. So, yn blwyddyn 12, mae uned 1 yn mynd I edrych ar pethau fel y pwysigrwydd o diogelwch bwyd, priodweddau maetholion, y perthynas rhwng maetholion a'r corff dynol, chi'n gallu cynllunio gofynion maith, gallu cynllunio'r gwaith o gynhyrchu prydau cymhleth, a wedyn yn ola gallu coginiau prydau cymhleth. So Unit 1 is made up of understanding the importance of food safety, the properties of nutrients, the relationship between nutrients and the human body. You are able to plan nutritional requirements, able to plan production of complex dishes, and then the practical element, be able to cook those dishes. Mae uned 1 yn cael ei torri lawr mynd I 50% a 50%. Lle yn y mewnol, mae yna gwaith cwrs, ble bydd y cybac yn gosod brief I chi ateb, a wedyn tasg allanol, le mae fe'n aroliad o 90 munud gyda 15 munud o amser darllen. Bydd adran A yn cwestiynau ateb byr, adran B yn cwestiynau estynedig, a adran C yn wneud gyda astudiaeth achos. Unit 1 is split 50%-50%. The internal assessment is a brief set by the WJC where learners will have to select suitable dishes to meet the brief, plan for a skills test, prepare and present the menu, and evaluate the menu and its practical outcomes. There will also be an external assessment where it's a 90-minute written examination with 50 minutes reading time split into 3 sections. Section A will be short answer questions, Section B are extended answer questions, and Section C relate to a case study where analysing a profile and someone's diet to suit what their current needs are. Yn blwyddyn 13, bydd uned 2 yn sôn am sicrhau bod bwyd yn ddiogel I fwyta, a mae hwn yn cael ei cwblhau trwy asesiad risg o senario penodol. Bydd yna dewis o uned 3, sef rhyw fath o ymchwil wyddonol amdano bwyd, a lle fod yna sut mae hufen iâ yn cael ei creu, neu sut mae bara yn codi, neu rhywbeth neu gyda materion cyffredol mewn gwyddor bwyd a maith. Year 13 will be split into 2 units, where Unit 2 is compulsory, and you will have to complete a risk assessment from a given scenario set by the WJC. And then you will choose from Unit 3, which will be a science research activity. So it could be something about how crystals are formed in ice cream or why bread rises. Or Unit 4, you will be researching what current issues there are in food science nutrition, and you will plan and carry out research on a project linked to this. Beth ydy disgwyliadau fi fel athro? Byddwn ni'n erbyn bod chi'n gallu gweithio annibynnol tu allan i'r gwersi, yn gallu cynhyrchu nodiadau o'ch gwersi chi, bod chi'n trefnu eich hunain, sicrhau bod chi'n barn am gwaith ymarferol, a bod chi'n gwneud darllen ychwanegol i'r pethau rwy'n allan. Os ych chi heb cwblhau cwrs bwyd yn cyfnod rhywle 4, dyw hwnna ddim byd I becso amdano, ond jyst ystyried bod bydd bod nhw'n barod i ddal fi fyny gyda unrhyw wybodaeth sylfaenol. Ar hyn o bryd mae gennym ni 2 disgybl yn y chweched sy'n cymryd y cwrs sydd heb wedi cael unrhyw bwyd yn A4. Mae eisiau diddordeb ydych chi a angerdd mewn bwyd, maith a choginio, bod chi'n ymarfer eich sgiliau ymarferol gartref, bod chi'n edrych ar y cyfryngau am syniadau am cyflwyniad neu creadigrwydd bwyd, ac yn holl bwysig mae'r cyfathrebu rhwng yr athro, y disgybl, a gartre. What are my expectations as a teacher? That you work independently outside of lessons, producing notes from lessons. You organize yourself for practical work, and also include additional reading to what's giving out in the lessons. If you have not completed a food course at Key Stage 4, be prepared to catch up on basic knowledge. We currently have 2 students in the 6th form who did not take food at Key Stage 4, but again, they were prepared to catch up with any basic work that was essential to take the course. You must have some sort of interest in food, nutrition and cooking, or possibly a passion in it. It is essential that you practice your practical skills at home on a weekly basis, that you look at media for ideas for presentation and creativity of food, and most importantly, the communication lines between teacher, student, and parent or guardian are essential for this course. Ar y 3 sleid nesaf, byddai'n dangos i chi enghreifftiau o falle pethau bydd chi gallu gwneud ar gyfer uned 1 yn blwyddyn 12. On the next 3 slides, I will be showing you examples of possible dishes that will be expected for Unit 1, the internal assessment. So, fel chi gallu gweld ar y sleid yma, mae pethau ar gyfer y cwrs cyntaf. So, on this slide, we have examples of what would be suitable for a starter for a possible brief scenario for the internal assessment. Ar y sleid yma, mae gen i rester eto enfawr o pethau fydd yn addas ar gyfer prif cwrs. So here we have a list of main courses that will be suitable, all high-level practical skills in each one of these dishes. Ac yn ola, y wahanol fathau o pwdin. And finally, the different types of desserts with high-level, possibly presentation and making skills. Dyma enghreifftiau o gwaith ymarferol disgyblion blwyddyn yma, so pethau fel pei lemon meringue, quiche, cacen caws, panna cotta, Kiev QR, pasta fresh. Here we have some examples of the practical work undertaken by this year's students. So we've got all high-level skill dishes, creating pastas, breads, portioning chicken, making their own dough, and so on. Pam mae myfyrwyr yn dewis y cwrs? Wel, falle bod chi'n mwynhau gwaith ymarferol. Mae hwn yn very much hands-on course. Bod diddordeb ydych chi yn y diwydiant lletygarwch, bod fi'n credu bod hwn yn sgil bywyd defnyddiol. Why would you choose this as a course? Possibly you enjoy practical work, you like learning through doing, through making things, you have a possible interest in a career in the industry, you're interested in being sort of a nutritionist or a dietitian, but more so, I see this as a useful life skill, that will last you forever, and possibly then if you have some sort of interest in learning about nutrition and healthy eating. Ble mae hwn gallu mynd â chi ato ynglyn â addysg uwch a gyrfaoedd? Mae llawer o wahanol cyrsiau ar gael yn prifysgolion sydd mae'r cwrs yn ennilu ato, a hefyd gyrfaoedd ymellach mlaen. So where can this course lead you to? There are a variety of courses and career pathways, as seen in the next slide now, for what this course can offer. So fel chi gallu gweld, mae yna graddau mewn maith dynol, gwyddoniaeth a technoleg bwyd, chwaraeon ymarfer corff, a wedyn rester o gyrfaoedd. Mae graddau fel hyn, so food production, nutrition, dietitian. A wedyn, yn ola fan hyn, cwpl o awgrymiadau da, falle sut mae hwn yn helpu gyda cyrsiau eraill, beth ddylech chi wneud, a unrhyw cwestiynau, please e-bostiwch fi fel gyda'r e-bost y gwylod. So just a few top tips in terms of what you could do for this course. And any questions you have, please email me. Diolch am wrando, a fi'n gobeithio bych chi gael digon o wybodaeth. Pob hwyl. Thank you for listening. I hope you've had enough information from me now, and all the best. Thank you.